How to avoid full arch zirconia to be cracked after furnace. The full arch zirconia is very extraordinary piece of work for dental lab high skillful technician. It is very complicated zirconia structure to be designed and processed as well. However, we should be careful about the crackage or failure. Here Bloomden technician wanna share some experiences. 1. The crackage can be reduced by the inside pressure, when a supporting basis could be cut to be hollowed for full arch zirconia. 2. A free shrinkage is a trend on the full arch zirconia, when it is furnaced. Which means the less resistance encountered, the less chance to a deformed shrinkage. 3. Full arch zirconia is recommended to be put vertically on zirconia beads prior to be furnaced, due to the reason that the basis bottom side could touch zirconia beads properly. A free shrinkage could be occurred. 4. The zirconia-related grindering tools are recommended after the full arch is furnaced. No metal-related tool should be applied. The 25,000 RPM for the grindering manual machine. Some microcracks could be fixed and polished by the sandblast at 222. 5 bar 0.20.25 using 50 microns 270 mesh high purity alumina sand. More details please visit www.bloomden.com or contact Bloomden Bioceramics ANTHONYTANG at bloomden.com.